Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're creating something simple, elegant, and surprisingly satisfying: a paper diamond. With just a few folds and a little patience, an ordinary sheet of paper can be transformed into a beautiful, geometric shape. What I love most about paper crafts is that they don't require expensive materials or special tools. All you need is paper, creativity, and a bit of time. This paper diamond is perfect for decorations, gifts, room displays, or simply as a fun and relaxing project. As we build it step by step, you'll see how small folds gradually come together to create something that looks much more complex than it actually is. Whether you're an experienced crafter or just getting started, this project is easy to follow and enjoyable to make. So grab your paper, follow along, and let's turn a simple sheet into a sparkling paper gem. Let's get started. And here's the finished result. What do you think of this paper diamond? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And tell me what paper craft you'd like to see next. Whether it's an airplane, an animal, a flower, a bookmark, or any other creative idea, I'd love to hear your suggestions. Your ideas help me decide what to make in future videos. If you decide to create your own version, feel free to share it and let me know how it turned out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss future creations. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.